In this video, we're going to be spending the day in Gatlinburg, and actually what we're going to just be showing you here is us basically just walking through Gatlinburg. This is how everything is as of late spring 2026 when we were down there, and we're just going to be walking up one side and back down the other. Our first stop, or one of the early stops, was the Mountain Mall. And if you guys have ever been to the Mountain Mall, you are sure to know where some of these places are. This is a very popular spot for everyone, and we are now up at Baskin Square. Now, one thing that we did do before, from what you're seeing here, we actually went to Speedworks, and I've got a full video on that on my channel, so you should go over and check it out if you've ever been curious about Speedworks. Here is Earthquake the Ride. Earthquake the Ride was voted as the worst ride in the United States, and that's why people like it. You know, I'm not real sure. I've been on it once and hadn't really thought about being on it again. There's all kinds of different treats, places to stop, you know, sugar babies you've seen there. Shopping galore. You can shop to your heart's out, and there's absolutely no way you are going to be able to go into every store. It is impossible. There are too many up and down the strip in Gatlinburg. Here's just one that caught our attention, so we ran in there, and you know, they've got shirts, they've got all your stuff as far as, you know, touristy stuff. They've got all of your souvenir stuff, just all these shops do. And they got some pretty unique t-shirts, as you can see here. You've seen the ones here with the bear on them. Bears are very popular down there. Don't leave food in your car, folks. I cannot tell you the number of times that I've seen all these videos of people where their cars get destroyed because they've left food in their cars. You can see some of the burger places there. At the Gatlinburg Inn is where the song Rocky Top was written. You can stay there. You can actually stay in the room where that song was written at. Here is Ripley's Believe It or Not. They redid the outside of the building back several years ago. I think it's pretty interesting. Very well known now in Gatlinburg. Of course, another one of the eating places, Five Guys, right next to a Baskin Robbins. You're not going to lose any weight down here. Also, there's several games, as you can see here, with the mini golf. Here's just a shot across the street to Star Cars. I've got an older video on my channel where I actually do a walkthrough of Star Cars if you're curious about that. And yes, you can ride ATVs in Gatlinburg. That is one of the things that you can do. Here's a closer look at some of the cars that are currently out in front of Star Cars. You can see the Chevelle. You can see some of these other cars. You can actually see a dinosaur over in the back, and there's a mini Herbie behind them. They used to have a real Herbie, or I should say a full-size Herbie out front. He's been moved back years ago, but they still do have all kinds of very cool cars in there. Another one of the many haunted attractions that are down there, you know, and there's just a little place where you can pose for pictures and stuff like that. And there's people that love these, especially around Halloween. They start doing some different things during Halloween there just to attract viewers, to bring people in. And there's the dinosaur. You know, this is one of the motion theaters that they have in Gatlinburg. And Bubba Gump Shrimp, again, you will not go hungry here. Just too many places to eat. And it's hard to decide in many cases as far as what you're going to want. There is the Space Needle. There's a pizza place up there. There's just all kinds of food places. And some more of the wildlife that you can see there. And again, guys, this is just us walking through the strip. This was pretty interesting. This was a little, I guess you could say, a remote-controlled dog that they had there. Just we'll sit here and watch it do some tricks.
It's cool to see in person. I've only seen videos, and it's cool. I don't think it hurts.
Yeah, and if those start barking at you and wake you up in the middle of the night, you just get up and turn them off.
That's cool. That's the kind of pet you need.
One of the many fudge shops right next to the Ripley's Believe It or Not, and just all kinds of attractions down here. This has been here since I can remember. That ball is there. I've only seen it removed once, and they were doing some work and then they put it back. Escape games, you guys are familiar with those. We also have just, again, more places to eat. This was one of the newer places that had opened up. This is a barbecue place, Myron Mixon. We haven't eaten there yet. If you have, let me know what your thoughts of it were down in the comments. And again, guys, there's just so many of these shops. It's just us basically walking down through here. Taffy logs, you can go in, watch them make taffy, and get all kinds of candy. Don't bring your diet with you to Gatlinburg. Parking, there is that road that we just passed that you've seen there. There is parking back up through there that goes to benefit a church, just so you are aware. That can be one of the things that you do there if you are looking for parking. Just a few more sights and sounds of Gatlinburg. There is a mini golf course right up here. It has been years since we've been up there. We've played it before, but it's been many years. Again, one of the candy shops. Just going through there, they do have, as you can see here, the Chicken Hut. I've not ate there yet either. I keep saying that I want to, but I haven't. I know there's a lot of people that seem to like it. Maybe one of these days when we're there. You're going to see a little place here on down in this video that we love too. Pepper Palace, you gotta love Pepper Palace. And plenty of gift shops. You can see here all the souvenirs. There's just so many of these here. Mass produced, and it's real neat though if you go up to like the craft museum and can actually see some, not all, but some local made stuff, local made crafts. Believe it or not, there's a lot of places down here that do not buy local made, that they actually buy some that are made at other places. And this is a Gatlinburg staple, Fanny Farkles, home of the Ogle Dogs. If it wasn't for the fact that we've already ate, I would definitely have to get one of those. But I'm telling you, they are good. Too bad you guys don't have smell-o-vision, because I'm telling you, the smell of those things is great. And then, of course, on past that, you got one of the... Here is Sun Diner right next to Jason Aldean's. Just a quick glimpse of the menu there. If you want to, you can go back and pause it. And tons of other candy places. Here's the Chocolate Monkey. There's actually a couple of them down there in Gatlinburg. And the beef jerky place. Again, there's all kinds of these little niche shops down through here. And some of the beef jerky, the taste of it is amazing. I mean, they have some real good stuff down here. And, there's a few places. There was actually one in Pigeon Forge that we've been to as well. And they had some great beef jerky. There's a place that has different nuts. And here you can see some candy cigarettes. That's something you don't usually see that much of anymore. But they have some down there. Some of the taxidermy stuff hanging up on the wall. And just tons of other things. And look at some of the candy here.
That's a peanut butter cup.
A big peanut butter cup. Now the Village, one of my favorite spots in Gatlinburg. You've got the donut fryer up here. You've got a lot of little shops up here, especially during Christmas time when they've got it decorated. I love coming up here and checking it out. It's always great to get some hot chocolate or coffee. It was way too hot for us to get really anything then other than water, but it's a great place to see. Just a little Norman Rockwell Village, basically. And here's the sign going into the donut fryer to where you can get some great donuts and some beverages, and just another one of the shops. Christian bookstores used to be very common down there. They're very rare now, unfortunately. But anyways, guys, this is just a quick walkthrough of Gatlinburg, just to show you some of the scenes, some of the sights as it currently stands. Check out my other videos if you want to see some more details on any of these places. I do have several. But guys, I hope you liked the video. Be sure to come with us on our next adventure. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Like and share this. Check out all the affiliate links down below, and we'll see you next time.